Hey, everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube banner using Canva. Let's get started. In your Canva dashboard, click on Create a Design at the top, search for a YouTube banner and click on the first option that appears. In another tab, search for a YouTube banner grid. Download one of the grids from the results and upload it to Canva. Click on Uploads, then Upload Files and select the file. Next, add the grid to your canvas and adjust its size to fit the canvas properly. This grid will help ensure that your banner fits the YouTube standards. To make designing easier, let's add guides. Go to File in the menu bar at the top, then Settings. Select a Guides, choose Custom. Set the columns and rows to 3, and everything else 0. Then click Add Guides. Click on Unlock Costs. You need to adjust the position of the guides. Following the uploaded grid, click and drag the guides to reposition them accordingly. This will help you align elements accurately on your banner. Once your guides are in the right places, it's time to lock them so you don't accidentally move them while designing. Go back to File, Settings, then select Lock Guides. Now you can delete the uploaded image of the grid and start designing your banner. Use the guides to make sure all important elements are within the safe area in the middle. You can add text, images, shapes, and other design elements from Canvas library. Customize your banner to fit your brand or channel style, and that's it. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.